semi-final one. Bangladesh, the last time they reached the final was back in 2019. 194 each. Winner will be decided by super over. You wanted it.
I wanted it badly and I have it. Winner will be decided by super over. That's the confirmation. Lot things at stake. Winner will go to the final, which happens day after. 194 for 6, 194 for 6, identical. Looks like Jitesh Sharma, the captain, taking the responsibility along with Ramandeep.
And that's a bit of a surprise to me. Vaibhav Suryavanshi not coming into bat. Somebody who loves to get after the bowling from ball one, not coming to open, not coming to bat in the super over.
Just reminding all our viewers, 2 wickets in the super over. That's it. Only 2 wickets. I reckon Vaibhav Suryavanshi wouldn't have batted with the Yorkers, been bowled with the older ball for a little while. And I don't think this is a bad choice. Ramandeep has a reputation of being a big hitter. Jitesh Sharma runs behind his back in this innings. Some clean hitting with 33 of 23. I reckon India has gone the right way. As expected, I think it's going to be Ripon Mondal for Bangladesh. Fielders at the moment, the 5 fielders outside the circle at deep square leg, deep mid, long on, long off, and a sweeper cover. Ripon Mondal, highest wicket taker of the competition. And just imagine his thought process in a super over, Mazauddin.
Must be eyeing for this block hole. He bowled really well. The penultimate over that he bowled. He's got that Yorker, got that pace, and also hitting those length hard. But at the moment, he'll be looking to bowl those block holes. Under pressure. Can he deliver?
Yeah, he bowled 6 in the block hole in the 19th over. So he is somebody who's practiced that delivery quite a lot.
Here comes the first ball. Yorker straight away. Jitesh Sharma trying to be cute. Ripon Mondal, middle stump, bullseye.
It was a rather premeditated from Jitesh. He was hoping for that Yorker. But you miss, I hit, says Ripon Mondal. What a start.
Well bowled. That's Yorker number 7 in a row. That 19th over we were talking about. He bowled them 6 Yorkers. And what a delivery. Perfect. Can't be more perfect. Jitesh Sharma has to go back for a duck. 0 for 1. Yeah.
Ripon Mondal comes again. Yorker again, short extra cover, back pedals and takes it. 2 in 2. Ripon Mondal, his good competition goes on. And India all out in the super over without score, without a single score on the board.
The game you're frightened of losing is not worth winning. They weren't able to put a run on the board in the super over. Bangladesh need 1 to win.
Great stuff from Ripon. Fabulous bowling. Bad choices by India though. I'm not sending Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Parveez, you asked me who should be opening. I thought it should have been Suryavanshi and Priyansh Arya, because they are 2 batters who love to go after the bowlers. Jitesh Sharma came to open, played a bad shot. Let's give credit to Ripon. Experienced bowler, has this art of bowling Yorkers. Bowled them perfectly.
Ripon Mondal, what a bowler. Just 2 deliveries to get 2 wickets. Questionable decision made by Jitesh Sharma, playing the huge shot through the offside. Ashutosh Sharma, he had no choice. He had to go for a big one. But the length was good. Under pressure, takes it easy at extra cover.
But you have to give a lot of credit to this man on screen. Kept his cool. Oh, India A. Looked dejected. This man, what a spell, what a bowling performance. Never easy bowling in those super overs.
I've become a fan of this man, Vipon. He has ripped through that Indian batting in the super over. Wrong choices by India. Absolutely wrong. I'm amazed with that choice that they made.
Wow, what a game. Game to remember. Suyash Sharma